What's up guys, it's Drew from Armado. This is our newest acquisition. It's a 2021 Subaru WRX that we purchased from Impact Auctions again in Toronto, similar to the last one that we did with the BRZ. It has 17,000 kilometers on it. This one is a salvage title. As you can see, it's got some pretty good side damage. We've already removed the front door here. It's got rear door damage as well, and then quarter panel here. So it's got some aftermarket goodies already on it. Has a set of wheels, full exhaust system, some other things like that. So what we are going to do is we are going to take apart the whole side here. We're going to skin the quarter panel and then assess the damage from there. As you can see, someone has done a license plate relocation, some hella horns. They've changed to an STI wing, even though this is a WRX. Back here we have a Tomei full titanium. Here's the interior stripped out. So we're assessing the damage from the inside here. You can see how far it's come in and how far it has to be cut for the new panel to go in. Here it is, bolted up to the big frame rack. They're doing the initial pull and cut here. You can see from the inside. So as of right now, we've taken out the gas tank and loosened off the subframe so that we have access to everything inside. So we just finished up spraying the insides of the new doors for the car. This streamlines the repair process so that we don't have to take the doors back off again. So here's the new cut that we're going to be using. You can see how far down we've gone into the interior of the car as well as the trunk. Comes with all the brackets that we need, as well as a section of the roof. Guys, here's the finished product of our 2021 WRX Rebuild. We put a lip kit on it all the way around. We've done coilovers and wheels. We've tinted the windows. It has OEM rain guards. The exhaust is back on with a nice stage 1 tune on it. It's passed all of its inspections, so alignment and structural inspections. So now is a certified rebuilt title in the province of Ontario. This car is going to be going for sale in the next 6 months or so after we put some more kilometers on it and enjoy it.